How to enable NSFW on CrushOn AI. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to teach you how you can easily enable the NSFW filter on CrushOn AI in 2024. So in order to do it, you first need to launch your web browser, and in the search bar you simply need to search for CrushOn AI. Afterwards, you just have to provide your login credentials, and then you just have to log in into your account. Now over here, in order to enable the NSFW filter, you will be able to see this unfiltered option. Right next to it, there will be an toggle button, so you just have to click on it, and then it will ask you, enabling the switch you will gain access to the unfiltered content. Are you sure to proceed? So here you just have to click on the confirm button, and there you go, you have enabled the NSFW filter on CrushOn AI. If you want to disable it, then you just have to turn the toggle button off, and you can use this feature in whichever manner you want to use it. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.